Clone Stamp Tool. The Clone Stamp tool selects and samples an area of the image and then uses these pixels to paint over any other part of the image. It acts like a brush, so we can change the size, allowing cloning from just 1 pixel wide to hundreds. To use the Clone Stamp tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open 2 image file in Photoshop CC. Step 2. Select Clone Stamp tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Select a brush and change its size and hardness in the Brush Preset Picker for better control of the area. Step 4. Use the Alt key and click on the area of the image that we want to copy. Step 5. Drag the mouse at the place where the clone is to be created. Pattern Stamp Tool. Pattern Stamp tool is used to make texture and design in backgrounds of the images. Photoshop comes in a variety of preset patterns. Using this tool, we can make our own pattern and fill it in our own image. To use Pattern Stamp tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image we want to edit. Step 2. Select the Pattern Stamp tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. In the Options bar, set the brush size, mode, opacity, and flow, and select the pattern from the Pattern drop-down menu. Step 4. Click and start dragging the mouse over the area to stamp the pattern. The dragged over area will be filled with the selected pattern. Blur, Sharpen, and Smudge tool. Blur tool allows us to apply blur effect on specific areas of an image or entire image. To use the blur tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image on which we want to apply the blur effect. Step 2. Select the blur tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Select the desired blur tool size, mode, and strength from the Options bar. Step 4. Click and drag over the area which we want to blur. Sharpen tool makes the parts of the image sharp by increasing the contrast between the pixels by making the light pixels lighter and dark pixels darker. To use the Sharpen tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image and select the Sharpen tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. While working with Sharpen tool, use the Zoom tool over the area where we want to apply the tool. Step 3. Click and drag over the area to increase the sharpness. Smudge tool is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from creating realistic smoke and fire effects to simply softening the edges. It works like as we dragged our finger through wet paint. To use the Smudge tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image and select the Smudge tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Check the finger painting checkbox in Options bar to use foreground color for smudging. Step 3. Add a new layer to smudge without spoiling the original image. Dodge and Burn tools. Dodge tool increases the brightness of the photo. It is a great tool to lighten faces hiding in shadow. To use Dodge tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image on which we want to apply the brightness. Step 2. Select the Dodge tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Select the brush size and softness from the Options bar. Step 4. Click and drag over the part of image we want to lighten. Burn tool darkens the pixels without affecting the colors. By using this tool, we can create greater contrast by deepening the shadows in certain areas of photo. To use Burn tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image on which we want to apply the darkness. Step 2. Select the Burn tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Set the required tool properties in the Options bar. Step 4. Click and drag over the part of the image we want to darken.